So let's top up on some petrol. What do we want? V-Power Nitro Unleaded. That sounds like the juicy stuff we want. Oh, fuck. Carbon performance exhaust system. It's also got upgraded jets in the carburetor, and has had a few bits removed to make it a little bit lighter, just little bits like that. You know, your sprocket as well, smaller sprocket, faster acceleration, stuff like that. Oh, $4.99. Come on, take the risk. Oh. Yes. I've just had to ride in this for about 20 minutes. I don't really have. I've got shower-proof gear, but it's not made to be practically sitting in this. I'm pretty wet. I can look at that. My gloves are like sponges. But yeah, so I got a ride to work this morning. I got about half an hour. Hopefully the road shouldn't be too bad when we get out of here. Hoping it's about. That's well slippy. Probably let Tango warm up a little bit. Come on. Alright, great. She doesn't want to start. It's to be expected though. It's snowing. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't do this here. Please don't do this here. Bogging out. Come on, baby, please. So I've bent down, I'm looking, I'm like, can I see anything that looks wrong? And as I've looked at my chain, literally the rear bit of the chain was all flipped around this chain guard here, all stuck around it, all hanging down the side. Guess who's back? That's right, guys, it's me, Evolution. How's everybody doing? So it's the R125. It's quite popular for the fact, you know, it's very large, proper sports bike looking for a 125, believe it or not. It's the matte grey edition. I've put a few mods on it, and there's much more to come. I don't really want to go over it too much, but I put the crash protection kit on, and I've got the tail tidy on the back and the tank protector. But it's a really nice bike, and I said I will go over in another video as why on earth I've even got this beauty. Are we just following these guys? Huh? Should we just follow these guys? Oh, this seat is really comfortable, and that's a nice Supra. Vroom, vroom. Despite I ride my 125, I still shit myself every time I'm on this beast. It's just power.
Nice one. Thank you, matey. Yeah?
What is going on, ladies and gents? My name's Evolution and welcome to my channel. So I don't know about you guys, but today looks like a bloody beautiful day. So, you know, we'll take this opportunity, we'll get on the MT125 and we're going to make the most of this beautiful weather. At the moment, it's not often that we get a nice, dry, moldish, sunny day. You know, that just doesn't happen in England, it doesn't. You would have thought we're in March now, things would be looking a little bit better, but yeah, the weather's still appalling, but you know, next few months, hopefully things should really pick up. I guess this is really the first official ride and review on the MT125. Guys, it's fantastic. I love it. It's so agile. Here she is, guys, the MT125. Completely standard in the racing blue, apart from the Aprilia exhaust system that's come off my previous bike, and also there's a tail tidy on the rear as well.
What is going on, ladies and gents? Try it again. Alright. Ah, well. Didn't quite see you over there. How's it going? Anyway, let me get the real Evolution. What is going on, ladies and gents? My name's Evolution and welcome to my channel. So, to some of you, this could be a bit of a shock if you've never seen my face before. Bit of a face reveal. Crazy, I know.
The whole every day is an opportunity to better yourself. As you know, in the recent video, the face reveal, I'm going to start changing up the way we do the videos around here. Makes life so much easier, so much more stuff we can do now. So it should be really, really good. Oh man, that is insane! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? First day back on the bike in about a week or so, and it feels good to be back on it. Weather today is absolutely pure bliss. It's literally been like a solid 15 degrees. In fact, the weather recently has actually been beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful.
Happy Friday, everybody. I just want to say a huge thank you for staying tuned all the way till now, the end of the video. I just wanted to do a little outro just to say thank you so much for all of my viewers, subscribers, commenters, family, friends, everyone that tunes in, whether you're a petrol head, whether you're learning about how to ride, or you're just here for the banter, or maybe you're just stalking me. I don't know. Thank you so much for joining me and being part of the community. it's just crazy to think that at an age of 16, I started on the Aprilia RS50. I've had 3 of those, and obviously as the years have gone on, I moved up to the 125. I had the NSR, the YZF-R 125, and the MT125. So I had 3 125s in the space of 2 years, and now moved up to my A2, and I'm on my MT07 restricted license. Now, I'm finding it more and more difficult every time I get older or I look at new bikes to part with the old one. Part of me wants to keep the MT07 when I get my full license. I'd love to get a sports bike again. And when we get full license, you get R6, R1, GX 1000, S1000. So many good bikes out there. Of course, this isn't the end of the evolution. This is simply just the start. This is just a few years which we've just collaborated and mashed up into what I've tried to make as short as possible of a video. There are parts that I've missed, and it's difficult to try and get all the highlights and memories into one video. But nonetheless, I look forward to the years to come and continue growing the channel. So anyway, guys, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.